Hello viewers, welcome to another episode of Knowledge Sharing. Before I continue, like us, like and follow our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share video for more interesting topics. Today we are looking at this question and it says simplify square root into 25 all over 5 minus square root of 24. So we are going to simplify that for us to see what the solution will look like. So we have a solution. So here we are given square root of 25 all over 5 minus square root of 24. So we have this inside the square root. It is short form of equation inside the square root. So what we need to do is for us to solve it in short form by multiplying the numerator and the denominator by the conjugate of the denominator. And here the conjugate of the denominator is 5 plus root 24. So here will be square root of 25 into 5 plus square root of 24 all over 5 minus square root of 24, then multiply by 5 plus square root of 24. So this is what we have now. So here we are going to expand this. So this will give us 25 times 5 will give us 125. 25 times square root of 24 will give us 25 square root of 24 all over 5 minus square root of 24 into 5 plus square root of 24. You can see from the denominator, it is in the solution of this is a minus b into a plus b. This is a solution of difference of 2 squared, which is a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2. So here we have this in this form. So we are going to represent this in this form. Having this present the denominator in this form will give us, because this is our a and this is our b, it's going to give us 5 to the power of 2 minus 4. b to the power of 2 will be square root of 24 all to the power of 2. So this is what we have. So we bring down our equation. You have square root of 125 plus 25 square root of 24 all over. So the solution is 5 to the power of 2 is 25 plus we have here square root of 24 to the power of 2 will give us minus 24. So this is what we have. This is the same thing as square root of 125 plus 25 square root of 24 all over 1. So because 25 minus 24 is 1. So when we evaluate this is the same thing as square root of 125 plus 25 square root of 24. Okay, here is 24. So this is our simplified form now. So we are going to further simplify this for us to see our answer will look like. So this will give us square root of 125 plus 25 times square root of 24 is the same thing as 4 times 6. So here this will give us square root of 125 plus 25 times square root of 4 times square root of 6. This is the same thing as square root of 125 plus 25 times square root of 4 is 2 times square root of 6. So this is what we have. So the next step, we can represent this 25. 25 here can be represented as square root of 25 all to the power of 2. So we are going to represent 25 as this. So this will become square root of 125 plus square root of 25 all to the power of 2 times 2 times square root of 6. So this we have here as square root of 125 plus 2 times. So this is the same thing as having times square root of 625 times square root of 6. So this is what we have. So here we can have it as, so here we have it as square root of 125 plus 2 times square root of 625 times 6. So this is what we have now. So in this situation, here is the same thing as square root of 125 plus 2 times square root of 25 times 25 times 2 times 3. So we have this. We know that our 125 is the same thing as 50 plus 75. So from here, where we have 125, we are going to put 50 plus 75. So this will become square root of 50 plus 75 plus 2 square root of, here we have 25 times 25 times 2 times 3. So we will pick 25 times 2, which is 50. So this will be 50. So we pick again 25 times 3, which is 75 times 75. So this is what we have. So, but we continue. We need to clean this so that we can do it well. So here we can rewrite this as square root of, we first take, we have 75 plus 50. Here we have plus 2. So individually we have square root of 75 times square root of 50. So we have this. So if you can look at the inside the square root, we can write it this way: 75 plus 50 plus 2 times square root of 75 times square root of 50, all to the power of 1 all over 2. So from here, you look inside the parentheses, you can see that when we have a plus b all to the power of 2 is same thing as a to the power of 2 plus 2ab plus b to the power of 2. So you see this, the inside the parentheses is in this form. For us to have this, you know that we have square root of 75 to the power of 2 is same thing as 75, and also square root of 50 to the power of 2 is equals to 50. So here we have 75 and we have 50. So this is what we have. So from here, you can see that here, this is our A and this is our B. So representing this in this format, this will give us square root of 75 plus square root of 50 all to the power of 2. This representing this in this format. We all have all to the power of 1 all over 2. We are now left out with this. So going back to the square root, this will give us square root of 75 plus square root of 50 all to the power of 2. So this is our simplified form of this question. So we can still go ahead to further simplify it. So when we expand this, these 2 will cancel here and 2 will cancel square root. We are now left with square root of 75 plus square root of 50, because this has cancelled out the square root. So this is our simplified form of that answer. So now what we are going to do is further simplify this. We all know that square root of 75 is same thing as square root of 25 times 3. Then we all know that we have plus square root of 50 is same thing as 25 times 2. So this is the same thing as having square root of 25 times square root of 3. Then we have square root of 25 times square root of 2. You know that square root of 25 is 5. So we have here 5 times square root of 3 plus 5 times square root of 2. So here we can factor it out. Because we have 5 as common. So this will give us 5 into square root of 3 plus square root of 2. So here, square root of 3 is what? So we are going to simplify that. We have 5 into square root of 3 is 1.72. Then we have square root of 2 is 1.414. So we have this. When we add 2 of them, we have here 5 into 3.146. So multiplying 5 times 3.146 will give us 15.73. So this is the value of this answer that we have to simplify, and it gives us 15.73 as the answer, and it satisfies this. You can do a little check for you to check and see. Point your calculator and see, and you have 15.75. And that, if that answer is correct, send us your details in our comment section. If you like what we're doing here, follow us on our Facebook page, subscribe to our YouTube channel, comments, and share our video for more interesting topics. Thank you.